So this is me waking up early in the morning, looking a hot mess, looking crusty. And the first thing I do is I get my fetal Doppler that I ordered from Temu, and you can get one too for $10. They are pretty handy, and I would say don't use it until you're at least 16 weeks. I got the Aquasonic from Walmart. You can also order it from like a medical store, which is cheaper. Um, so what I do is I go ahead and I cut the fetal Doppler on, and then I go ahead and I add just a little bit of the Aquasonic. You don't need that much. I learned that the hard way. So yeah, once you put the stuff on the Doppler, it does already have a number on there. Don't pay attention to that because it's just, hey, it's a $10 product from Temu. So hey, you get what you pay for. And right here is where I'm putting the Doppler on my stomach, trying to get it in a good position. And when you use this, you want to make sure that you lean in towards, like, lean in on your stomach, like put a little pressure on it, just so you can get a good heart rate, or get a good get good sound, if that makes sense. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, my daughter came in the room being nosy, and here we go. Go ahead and listen to the heartbeat. I think it should be anywhere from 140 or 120 to 190, but I'm not a medical professional, so don't quote me on that. Also, remember that the baby's heart rate should sound like a horse galloping, like running. So if the heart rate is too slow, that's not the baby's heart rate, that's your heart rate. That's the right number. I keep having to move it around. I keep moving. And you can feel me pressing on my stomach.